Question 3. Find the range of values of q if the graph of the following quadratic functions intersect the x-axis at 2 points. So if our quadratic function intersects at 2 points, our b square minus 4ac will be more than 0. Okay, so we put this here. Let's look at A. So from A we have our A, B and C. They already separated us. They already arranged it nicely lah. So A is 5, B is this whole thing. Don't forget to take the negative. Oh, wait a minute, they haven't. So we have to expand first. Right, because here also got x. So first let's expand this equation. 5x squared minus qx plus 4 minus 2. So we expand this. We get 5x squared minus qx squared minus 4x minus 2. Okay, so 5x squared and qx squared, we can factorize it to make it 5 minus qx squared minus 4x minus 2. So from here we can say our A is this whole thing, our B is negative 4 and our C is negative 2. Okay, so remember A is always the coefficient of x squared. So when we have like this, we have to factorize it. Then only we can use this as our A. Alright, so let's look at how to solve this. So we know b squared minus 4ac must be more than 0. So b squared minus 4ac more than 0. So negative 4 squared is 16. Okay, this one, to make our life easier, we times this with this first. So negative 4 times negative 2 is plus 8. Then we put 5 minus q. Now easier to expand now. So 16 plus 40 minus 8q more than 0. So we want to make the q the subject. We bring this over there. 16 plus 40 is 56, is more than 8q. And then the 8 we bring here becomes divide. So q is 56 over 8. So this one you can put in your calculator. 56 over 8 is 7. So q is smaller than 7. We can write it like this. Done. Right, let's look at B. Let's look at B. So B we have a x squared. Oh, here the x they haven't factorized. So we try to expand it first. Fx will be q plus 2 x squared plus q minus 2qx minus 5. So here we rearrange it. Q plus 2x squared minus 2qx plus q minus 5. Okay, why did I rearrange it this way? Because I want to separate x squared, x and constants. So when I separate this like this, we can easily find our a, b and c. So a will be q plus 2, b will be negative 2q, and c will be q minus 5. So now we can do our b squared minus 4ac lah. Okay, so b squared minus 4ac must be more than 0. So negative 2q squared minus 4ac more than 0. Let's get some more space. I move this here. I move this all here. Okay. So here we expand 4q square minus 4 times q plus 8. Okay, I leave the negative out lah. So I'm just multiplying the 4 inside. Then q minus 5 more than 0. Okay, then we expand this one. So 4q square minus 4q square minus 20q plus 8q minus 40 more than 0. Then we open up the bracket. So minus 4q square plus 20q minus 8q plus 40 more than 0. 4q square for negative 4q square minus of each other. 20q minus 8q will become 12q plus 40 more than 0. So 12q is more than negative 40. Okay, 40 we bring over that side lah. And then making q the subject, we get negative 40 over 12, which is negative 10 over 3. Done. That's it. So this will be our range of q.